Hello, good evening. In this video, I would like to teach you all about voice based on past continuous tense. All the rules and regulations are the same. But there are some differences. Try to understand. जो पहले आपको मैंने रूल्स बताया that how to change the active voice into passive voice. How to change it. Active voice into passive voice. When you are going to change the active voice in passive voice, then you have to write down the object in the beginning of the sentence and the subject at the end of the sentence. I mean, there will be interchange of subject and object. सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट की जगह, ठीक है। और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में बीइंग, हेल्पिंग वर्ब बीइंग इज यूज्ड विद वाज एंड वर. हेल्पिंग वर्ब बीइंग विद was and were. It means was being and were being. Right? Razi was writing poems. Razi was writing poem. It is affirmative sentence and active voice also. Razi was writing poems, more than one poem. Poems were being written by Razi. Next, Ahmad was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by Ahmad. Children were playing games. Games were being played by the children. I was watering the plant. I was watering the plants. Plants, more than one plant. Plants were being watered by me. She was writing English. English was being written by her. All these sentences are affirmative sentences. Now come to another, negative sentence. I was not watering the plant. मैं पौधों को पानी नहीं दे रहा था. I was not watering the plant. Plants. I was not watering the plants. The plants were being not watered by me. The plants were not being watered by me. Fatma was not cooking rice. Fatma was not cooking rice. Rice was not being cooked by Fatma. Clear? Rice was not being cooked by Fatma. The children were not plucking flowers. The children were not plucking flowers. More than one flower. flowers were not being plucked by children. Flowers were not being plucked by children. This is negative sentences. And listen, interrogative sentences. Was gardener watering the plant? Was gardener watering the plant? Were the plants watered by the gardener? Abid. Was Abid playing cricket? Was Abid playing cricket? Was cricket being played by Abid? ये तो था affirmative. Abid was not playing cricket. Cricket was not being played by Abid. Abid was not playing cricket. Cricket was not being played by Abid. I was not singing a song. Negative है. Was I singing a song? Interrogative. Was I singing a song? Was a song being sung by me? Was Fatma cooking rice? Was rice being cooked by Fatma? आज के लिए इतना सबक काफ़ी है। और आखिर में आपको मैं हिदायत देता हूँ कि आप वॉइस नरेशन, ट्रांसलेशन, इंटरचेंज ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, इन तमाम चीज़ों को जानने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप टेंस को बहुत अच्छी तरह पढ़ें। फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म वर्ब का सही से मुताला करें। इंशाअल्लाह ताला बोर्ड के एग्ज़ामिनेशन में आपको नुमाया कामयाबी मिलेगी। जुमले कौन से आएंगे बोर्ड में ये कोई नहीं जानता, लेकिन तमाम जुमलों को हल के लिए आपके पास अगर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन का पता है तो किसी भी जुमले को आप एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में तब्दील कर सकते हैं या नरेशन बना सकते हैं। ओके प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, और टीचर की हौसला अफजाई कीजिए और हमारा एक छोटा सा वीडियो इसको आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।